What's going on, everyone? JP here from Dynamic AI Tech. Today I want to show you really quickly how to transpose one of your songs in Suno. So what I tried time and time again was just kind of reprompting it. So I'll give you an example, and this is just one of many, and I learned how to do this recently, so I'm going to share this with you. So what I would do is I would type in the prompt, the style that I wanted, and then key of whatever, right? This particular song, Living Ghost, this is the first song I was able to successfully transpose with this step I'm going to teach you in a minute. But I spent you can see a bunch of credits, and I deleted a bunch of these already, but just trying to change the key to A flat from B flat, and it did not do that. I've had some success in the past where the songs were transposed, but it's kind of hit or miss. This little trick I'm going to show you is not a hit or miss. This is 100% guaranteed that it will transpose the track for you. Click on the three little buttons on the right side, and you're going to open it up in Studio and give that a minute. But I don't believe you can do this on the free subscription version of Suno. You do have to have a paid subscription in order to open up Studio. I could be wrong, and please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Okay, so here we are, and very quickly you're going to click on the header right there. And on the right side, you will see the transpose feature, and that's it. So currently this track is in the key of B flat. Let me play it real quick.
Over a glass of champagne, we can forget.
Okay, cool. So that is definitely in B flat, but I'm going to be re-singing this song. This is a song that I wrote almost 30 years ago that I found in my Google Drive, just the guitar and my awful vocal from 30 years ago. And I brought it into Suno and just completely fell back in love with this song. Never really did anything with it because it was out of my range, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to re-sing this song in my range now. I was way too ambitious 30 years ago trying to sing this in a tenor range when I'm a baritone singer. So anyway, enough talking. Come on over here. I'm going to drop this 2 half steps, which is 1 full step from B flat to A flat.
Sometimes we get over our...
Yeah, so it did a perfect job with that. Now, I don't care about the vocals because I'm going to be extracting all of the tracks, and I'm going to leave the vocals out of this, and I'm going to be putting my own vocals over this track in my DAW, which is my digital audio workstation, and I use Logic Pro. Now, if you guys don't have a digital audio workstation, you can use a free program called BandLab, and then you could master your track in BandLab as well. And I use BandLab to master most of my tracks, and it does a really good job. And best part, it's free. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you all. If you haven't already done so, hit that like and subscribe button because this channel, Dynamic AI Tech, is all about finding the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs. And for those of you who are already a part of the community, thank you so much. Thank you for commenting and for engaging on the channel. I really appreciate you all, and I will hopefully see the rest of you on the next video. All right, see ya.